In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Bitwarden master password for 2025, step by step. Password management is crucial for securing your digital life, and being able to reset your master password is an important skill to have up your sleeve. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First, you need to head over to the Bitwarden Web Vault. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Bitwarden website. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself at the main Vault screen, your central hub for accessing all your stored passwords and secure notes. From here, look for the Settings option. This can typically be found either in the main navigation menu or as a distinct option within your Vault interface. Clicking on Settings will open a new menu with various customization options for your account. Next, find and select Security within the settings. The Security section holds all of your account's protective measures and is where you can manage a range of security-related settings. This is key, as changing your master password is a vital security action. In the Security menu, you'll see an option related to changing your password. Before you can modify your master password, Bitwarden requires you to confirm your current master password. Go ahead and type in that current master password in the designated field. Doing this step authenticates that you genuinely are the one making this change and not an unauthorized user. Once you've entered your current password, it's time to type in your new master password. As a tip, make sure your new password is strong and unique, utilizing a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for enhanced security. Also, remember to choose something that you can recall with confidence or use a trusted hint. Following that, you'll need to confirm your new master password by typing it in again. This step ensures that you have inputted the password as intended and helps you avoid any typing errors that could lock you out of your account. After confirming, you can choose to set a master password hint. This optional step can be a lifesaver if you ever forget your password. Remember, the hint should be subtle enough to guide you without giving away your password to others. Consider a reminder that only you would understand, but provides a clear mental prompt. Finally, you'll need to click on Change Master Password to apply this new password. And there you have it. Your Bitwarden master password has now been successfully updated. Always ensure to log out and back in to verify that your new password works as expected. That's it for today's guide. I hope this step-by-step walkthrough has demystified the process of resetting your Bitwarden master password. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.